Hello everyone, it's Marky. How's it going? Today is Wednesday, November 3, and I have just run into Q-Case at Target. This is an exciting moment. It's been a while since I find Hot Wheels. Q-Case, guys. Q-Case is in town. Q-Case, so go get them, guys. First up, I found this new for 2021 from the Exotic Series 9 of 10, the Aston Martin V12 Speedster. It looks amazing. What a nice new model we have here. New casting for 2021. Aston Martin V12 Speedster. It's a nice metallic color. Let's give him a spinner. Look at that. What a beauty. All right, let's get even closer. Check out that front end. All right, look at that. Nice grille, beautiful lights, nice badge, nicely centered. Very, very nice. This is a new model, and they gave it mirrors. They gave him some side view mirrors, which is really cool. They've been eliminating mirrors lately a lot, so that's pretty cool. And there is no windshield on this Speedster. V12 Speedster. There's the name right on the license plate. And we can see two pipes showing back here, exhaust. So nice. There's the badge in the middle for the Aston Martin brand or make. Gasoline access right here in the back, right back fender. It is a left side driver. Wow, look at that interior. This is something else. The color, the color combination is really good with the black. This nice metallic silver color looks amazing. The wheels look really great on it too. Yeah, great job. Great job. Here's a top view. Looks like I have something there, or a little scratch or something. Sweet. This was an exciting day to find brand new Hot Wheels on the pegs. I thought the day would never come, guys. The day would never come. By the way, Dollar General did get M-Case, but I think I have everything from M-Case that I've been looking for, so I found them a while back. But they just got some fresh M-Cases at Dollar General, just so you know, in case you have a Dollar General close by your house. Beautiful. I love it. And I also found another exotics, the Pagani, in a new gold look. Hot Wheels Exotics. Wow, look at the mirrors on this Pagani. They look like leaves. And here he is, no mirrors on the actual casting. Let's get him out of the package. Another Q-Case find, guys. Another Q-Case. And there he is. Pagani in gold and black. Beautiful front end. Wow, another nice, exciting find. I had no idea this one was coming out. I didn't spoil it by looking at what was coming out in Q-Case. So Q-Case, I kind of been blind to what was going to be available. So it was even more exciting. Not that I didn't want to. It was not on purpose, really. It was just I kept forgetting to check it. And I really thought that I knew what was coming in Q-Case, and then I was like, oh, you know what? I think I never did look for Q-Case. So yeah, the last case I had reviewed was P-Case, trying to find what was gonna come in P-Case, and I'm still missing cars from P-Case. Hopefully we'll still get more P-Cases coming in. But anyways, this is a beautiful Pagani. And it's closed in. Let's check out the markings on this Pagani. P31, copyright 2012, Pagani. I have another one here. It came out a while back in green, so let's compare them here, see what they look like side by side. Both made by Pagani. Here's the new one, top view. Here's my old Pagani. They look pretty similar. The back end looks very, very similar. Here's a side view. And the change is really in the front end and the canopy on top, the roof and whatever. That makes it look really different. (2017) Pagani Roadster. Copyright 2017 on it. This one is just copyrighted 2012, no name on it on the bottom here. And on the card it just says Pagani Hyra or Wyra, however you want to pronounce it. Hot Wheels Exotic Series. So that's two from the Hot Wheels Exotics, the Aston Martin and the Pagani. And I also found another McLaren, the F1 Hot Wheels Exotics, and then I realized I had already found this one in P-Case. It looks like it might be a carryover from P-Case. It's also available in Q-Case. I was confused when I found it now. I thought this must be something new. I don't know why I couldn't remember that I had already bought this one, but I have it from P-Case, and it's exactly the same. I already looked them over. They are exactly the same. But it is a Q-Case car. And it is a new model for 2021. Number 235 of the year for the year, and Hot Wheels Exotic Series 8 of 10. So far I got 8, 9, and 10 on this last, on this lucky find, I should say, this morning. For today, November 3rd of 2021. And I gotta say, my McLaren collection keeps growing. Check out all these McLarens I have. And I probably have more. Just these are the ones that. Oh, by the way, here's the other Pagani I forgot to mention. Let me just show this one real quick. I have the black one as well. So just wanted to show that one next to the new one. Can't believe I forgot to show that one before. Let me show it real quick. I'm sure you guys want to see them side by side. There we go. The black and the gold one. Black and red. Gold and black. Sweet. And here they are. Side view. Oops. And here's the back view. Beautiful. All right, let's get back to the McLarens. I have the F1 in orange as well. McLaren F1 GTR with the wing on the back. And you can see right there a few differences. See the wiper on the windshield? A little different. And you see the vents on the side here, a little different. And the The dashboard looks different. And let's check out the markings on the base. Let me just show the back real quick and then we'll get to the markings on the base, see how they're marked. And a few differences there. Let's see. This one on the bottom, made in Indonesia. The one on top, made in Malaysia. Of course, this one is from the 5-pack. And the new one for 2021, made in Malaysia for the mainline. McLaren F1. The GRX 57. What is that? And the McLaren F1 GTR. So I have these two. Just look really good. Now I have an extra one there. I have these McLarens right here. These are the McLaren 720S. And they're both the same, just a little different colors. That's the 720. Pretty nice. McLaren collection keeps growing. Then I have these over here. These are pretty nice too. This is the P1. The P1 in the light metallic green. Very light, kind of like a seafoam green. Then I have it in this gray. P1. And I have a purple one. All McLaren P1s. Pretty cool. So I have those. And this is how they look next to the new one. And I have these really cool McLarens. And again, I probably have more, just whatever I could find in my cases that were close to me. The Senna or Senna, not sure how you pronounce it. I have the white one and I have the yellow one. McLaren Senna. Pretty nice. There we go. See how he looks next to the new one. These are pretty awesome. Nice exotics. So I have 8, 9, and 10, and then I have this one, number 1 of 10. And this one is Q case. And I'm not sure if this was a carryover. It could be that it's a carryover. For some reason, I'm thinking it was. The Porsche 993 GT2. It may have been carried over from P case. But here it is. Found it today, November 3rd, 2021. Q case. So head out to Target. They have them. Walmart. I did go to Walmart. They didn't have any new Hot Wheels at all. Pretty much bare pegs. They had Matchbox, but no Hot Wheels, and the Matchbox were the Ones have been out already for a while. Pretty nice. Check out that front end. Beautiful badge. Nice details. Racing stripes look cool. Nice lights. Could add a little more detail down here. Some more colors and shadows. We do have a big wiper there. Mirrors on the side. Door handles are painted over. Nice stripes on the bottom here. Hot Wheels logo on the door. Little antenna on top here. You can see right inside. Pretty clear. All the windows are rolled up. Nice exhaust showing on the bottom. Plain back in all white, but nice details. I wish they had filled them in. Made in Malaysia. P31 is stamped there. And Hot Wheels logo. No name for the car. And I do have the red one, which came out a little while ago. So this is a recolor. And that's how they look side by side. Pretty cool to have two of these in different colors. Pretty nice to have that big wing in the back. Let me back off a little bit. There's a top view of both of them. So awesome. Another exotics. Number 1 of 10. Now I gotta check and see how many of the exotics I have. I think I have completed the 10, but I might be wrong, I might be mistaken. I'm gonna have to look through my cases and see if I can pull them all out. And because I can't remember off the top of my head which are the 10. So there's 4 right here. And let's put all the new ones together. The new ones: Porsche, the F1, the Pagani, and the Speedster, Aston Martin Speedster. There they are, guys. What a nice collection. So exciting to get these today. And I got a couple more I'm going to show you tomorrow. I just don't think I have enough time to show them all right now. Wow, super nice. Let's take another look. Let's get a little closer on this canopy here. It is the left side driver, no mirrors on the side again. And this one, no windshield wiper. Does have what looks like T-tops. And you can see in there. It's a little harder when the windows are not rolled down on the sides to see inside. There's that front fender. They do come a little dusty from the factory. I love that they have the name Hyra there, or Wyra. Wow, these wheels look really cool when they spin. Wow. Awesome. Man, I'm just enjoying these Hot Wheels so much. So cool. Here they are compared side by side. The Speedster and the Pagani. The V12. Nice. Neither of these have brake lights painted in. I guess they're not planning on stopping. They're just gonna keep going. No need to stop. These things must fly on the track. They look pretty cool. Let me know if you're gonna be racing these. I'd like to see that. And all right, guys, time to pick a favorite. Let's see, what do we have here? Again, this is the Aston Martin V12 Speedster. Pagani Hyra. McLaren F1. And a Porsche 993 GT2. 993 GT2. Super nice exotic set. Let me get all these extra cars out of here. All the exotics. 8, 9, 10. And number 1. So there you go. Number 1 is the Porsche. Number 8, the F1, McLaren F1. Number 9 is the Speedster. And number 10 is the Pagani. All from the Green Exotic series. I hope I completed this series already, because this is the last case for 2021. Hopefully I have them all. I'm gonna have to check and see. I really would like to put all my series together and see how they look together. All 10 with the recolors and whatever. It'll probably be more than 10 on each series. So awesome. I know the Then and Now series is also 10 cars, and the Japanese, the J Imports is also a series of 10 cars. The Speedsters are 10. The Hot Wheels Turbos are 5. 5 cars for the Hot Wheels Turbo. Gotta check out my Hot Wheels Turbo series. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget, smash the like button. Maybe we can get this video up to 100 likes. That would be awesome, guys. I know a lot of you are gonna watch and not care to hit that button, but if you wanna help me out, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps the channel so much. There they are. 4 beautiful cars, beautiful Hot Wheels. Go to Target, don't miss out. Leave a comment. Which one's your favorite, guys? Which one's your favorite? Let me know. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.